Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Hindi ko na po isa-isang babatiin ang mga mahal na panauhin ngayon sapagkat sila'y binati na at pinakilala ni Chinky Santiago. Ito po ay legal firmament. All the stars of the legal profession are here, the stars of the judiciary are here, and I would say all the good and the excellent lawyers are here. Ano ba yung good lawyer? A good lawyer is one who knows the law. Ano yung excellent lawyer? Excellent lawyer is one who knows the judge. Yung a lawyer who knows the law and who knows the judge. Ang sabi ho ni Dean Andy Bautista, yun daw FEU lawyer. Sorry po doon sa mga taga-UP. Panahon lang yan. Weather. Ngunit, bayan yung batiin ko ang aking mga kasama sa kataas-taasang hukuman for a particular reason. First, of course, would be Justice Helen Gutierrez, Justice Adolf Ascuna. Justice Ascuna po, very humble. He fell in line. He did not want to sit on disturbed tables. I especially mentioned them before I mention Justice Cancy Garcia because they just arrived last night from Sydney, Australia, because they attended a meeting of the executive committee that's organizing the next International Conference on Judicial Reform. As was mentioned earlier by Ave Cruz, we held the first one, the only one in fact, so far in the world, focused on judicial reform. And I appreciate that because as conference chairman of that meeting here in Manila, there is now enthusiasm worldwide to continue that international conference, and they just reported that they met a committee of 15 formed by the conference in Sydney, Australia. The Australian Chief Justice was particularly enthusiastic. And they were also with Evelyn Dumdum. You know, Evelyn is the head of the Judicial Reform Program Office of the Supreme Court. Although she just arrived from Australia, she also arrived 2 weeks ago from a trip from Russia and Armenia because the Russian Supreme Court and the Supreme Court of the Republic of Armenia requested the Philippine Supreme Court for technical assistance in setting up their own judicial reform program. Kaya po tayo, medyo kilala na sa mundo for our judicial reform program to be credited mainly to my predecessor, Chief Justice Hilario G. Davide Jr. Taga-UP po yun. Mukhang mas malakas ang palakpak sa UP kaysa FEU din Bautista. Hindi bale, darating din ang panahon namin. And of course, the other members of the judiciary here, particularly the presiding justices of the two appellate courts, Justice Ruben Reyes of the Court of Appeals, and of course, members of the Court of Appeals, Justice PJ Teresita Leonardo de Castro of the Sandigan Bayan. By the way, just last Friday, we inaugurated the complete computerization of the Sandigan Bayan. You may not know it yet, but right now, all the pleadings and orders of the 2,700 pending cases in the Sandigan Bayan have been digitized and can now be downloaded from the internet. So therefore, if you want to know the status of any case pending in the Sandigan Bayan, you can access that already. This is a first in our part of the world. The pilot in the computerization, the complete computerization of the judiciary, initiated in the Sandigan Bayan with PJ Teresita Leonardo de Castro. Palakpakan po natin.